Today I want to show you how to make your sketches like a pro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debbie. So, as you can see by the title, today I want to show you how to make your sketches like a pro, very beautiful, like artists always did. I don't know. I love to make sketches with only a pencil, only a pen, and that's because artists use always what they have in the, desk, on their home, on their pencil case. I don't know. Everything that you have, it's perfect. Okay. I'm talking like that because I'm Italian. You know what I'm talking about. So let's get started with this video.
Okay guys, let's get started making these random sketches in this paper that I have in my desk. As always, you can use whatever you prefer. So I'm using this paper. So as you can see, I'm just make the sketch very random, and right now I'm just starting with messy coloration. I don't know how to express these things, but okay. Very randomly I just start to make, I don't know, little sketches with this pink pencil. And then as you can see, I'm just using the same pencil because to have the real effect of the artist sketches is important to use, pencil, the same coloration, the same color or completely different color, but in this case we use the same color, and I'm using the same pink pencil, purple pink, to make a very strong lines, to make faces, because I think that this page will be face sketches. Remember guys, that it's not important to make perfect drawing and sketches, okay? This is a random artist sketches, and I want to tell you guys, art is free. That's very important to say, because art is not perfection, art is like life, and I think that it's very important to make a drawing that you feel. I think that is the most important thing that you needed to do. So as you can see, I'm just starting to make details, and I'm starting to make eyes, and then blushy noses, because I love blushy noses and blushy cheeks. And also I just want to show you guys how to make beautiful glossy lips, and yeah. that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you liked this video, so let me know with a thumbs up and a comment below. I want to make more video like this, guys, and if you like it, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget, as always, to follow me on my social media, and we will see in the next video. Bye!